For those of you who have been shown the steps for long division but are wondering why those steps work, let's make sense of it once and for all. To help me illustrate how long division works, I'm going to be using a lot of these. I have 857 M&Ms here that I'm going to divide up evenly into 3 groups for my 3 very lucky kids. Now, I could start separating them out individually one by one, but that would take a very long time. Because I know I have exactly 857 of them, instead, I can think of them like this. I have these M&Ms organized into individual ones, groups of tens, and groups of hundreds, or in other words, by their mathematical place value. Here we have 7 individual M&Ms. Each one of these boxes has 10 M&Ms, and so I'm going to refer to these boxes as tens. We have 5 of these boxes, so we can say we have 5 tens. In each of these boxes, there are exactly 100 M&Ms. I know this because I put 10 of the tens boxes in each of those larger boxes. And because we know that 10 times 10 is 100, these all have 100 M&Ms. We have 8 of these boxes, so we can say we have 8 hundreds. In all, again, we have 857 M&Ms. Now, viewing the M&Ms like this, it makes it so much easier to divide them evenly. There are 8 boxes of hundreds, so I can give each of my 3 kids 2 boxes. I want to know the total number of hundreds boxes I've distributed out so far. This is where the multiplication comes in. We have distributed out 600 boxes because we have 3 groups and we've given each group 2 boxes. Mathematically speaking, that is 2 times 3. We also want to know how many hundreds were not distributed out yet. This is where the subtraction comes in. The original number of 8 boxes of hundreds minus the 6 we distributed out will give us what's left over. You can see here we are left with 2 boxes of hundreds remaining. This is where the bringing down step comes into play. We still want to use the remaining 2 boxes of hundreds because they're delicious M&Ms. So we're going to convert these 200s boxes into boxes of tens and group them with the original boxes of tens that we already had. Now you can see we have 25 total boxes of tens, 5 from the original tens we had, and 20 from the 2 boxes of hundreds that we converted into tens. We are ready to divvy out the tens in the same way we did the hundreds. Because there are 25 tens, I can give each of my 3 kids 8 tens. Again with the multiplication, when talking about the tens boxes, we've distributed out 8 to the 3 groups. Because of that, I know that I've distributed out 24 tens. Or in other words, again, mathematically, 3 times 8. Again with the subtraction to find out how many tens boxes we haven't yet used. We start out with the 25 tens that we had originally, minus the 24 that were already distributed to the 3 groups. This leaves us with 1 10 that has yet to be distributed. Again, this is where the bringing down comes into play. That box of 10 M&Ms we still want to use, so what we're going to do is convert the box of 10 into individual M&Ms and group them with the 7 original M&Ms we had. You can see we have 17 individual M&Ms from the 7 original individual M&Ms and 10 from the box we just opened that was left over. We are ready to divvy out the individual M&Ms in the same way we did the hundreds and the tens. There are 17 ones, so I can give each of my 3 kids 5 individual M&Ms. Again with the multiplication, because we gave 5 individual M&Ms to each of the 3 groups, we can see that 15 individual M&Ms have been distributed out. Mathematically speaking, that is 5 times 3. Again with the subtraction, so we can see how many individual M&Ms were not distributed out. We start with the 17 individual M&Ms and subtract out all of the 15 M&Ms that were distributed, leaving us with a remainder of 2. Because we can't convert those 2 M&Ms into anything else, they're just left by themselves, and we call them a remainder. There you have it, 857 M&Ms divided into 3 groups for my 3 lucky kids gives each of my children 200 boxes, 8 tens boxes, and 5 individual M&Ms. Or in other words, each of my children gets 285 M&Ms. Even though I only went up to a number with hundreds in it, the same concept extends for thousands, 10,000s, millions, billions, trillions, because it's all based off of the base 10 number system that we all know and maybe even sometimes love. If this was helpful for you, hit that like button and put in the comments what other math concepts you would like explained in future videos. Consider subscribing and hit that notification so you're notified right away when the video is uploaded. The best way to test yourself if you really know something is to see if you can explain it to someone else. So go grab a friend and explain this math why to them. Thank you for watching.
I hope that it will help you to do a better job.